This is a little 6-inch handheld chainsaw. Ever since I got this thing in my hands, I find more and more stuff to use it for in the yard. Trimming limbs, shrubs, literally cutting up whole trees. Comes with 2 of these 21-volt batteries, and it even comes with a replacement blade. If you or your family do any kind of yard work this upcoming spring and summer, you are going to want to have one of these. If you want to snag one before they sell out, I'll tag it below.
Link below. Link below. Link below. Link below. Link below. Link below. Link below. Link below. Link below. Link below. Link below. Link below. Link below.